Oh yes, I love charcoal. You're being sarcastic, aren't you? Of course I'm not being sarcastic. Why would I be sarcastic? I think he is being sarcastic right now. Yeah, I have that feeling too, Vincent. It is Vincent. And yes, I think he's saying that he is not sarcastic, but that is sarcasm as well. In other words, he is sarcastic about being sarcastic. I'm glad you understand him at least, because I wasn't so sure. He is stupid. It's easy to understand him. Hey, you are stupid, not me. I am pretty sure you are being sarcastic right now, so I'm going to take that as a compliment. No, I was not being sarcastic this time. Wait, was that sarcastic or not? I think it was. No, it wasn't. Actually, yes, it was sarcastic. Yes, you are so smart, Vincent. Yes, thank you. It is actually Vincent. But that's okay. Thank you for calling me smart. No, I think he's being sarcastic. Why? He wasn't sarcastic before. Why would he be sarcastic this time? Because he's complimenting you and he doesn't typically like you a lot. Oh well, I am just going to assume the best in him. No, I was sarcastic, you idiot. I think we've had enough of this. I was just going to explain that we will draw the human body with charcoal. Can you two just cut it out? Wait, you're being sarcastic, are you? You don't mind it when we talk to each other and insult each other, do you? No, I do. Sure you do. Why are you winking at me? No, I'm serious. I haven't been sarcastic this whole entire time. Sure, that makes total sense. You two are so weird.